Here I have UMIDIGI F1, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time for a few seconds like this. And after that, you will enter boot mode. Here at the boot mode, you use volume up key to navigate through the menu and volume down to select options. And here you have such options as recovery mode, fast boot mode, normal boot, and that's it. If you want to exit boot mode, just select the last option, normal boot, and your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.